Hey friends, if you encounter the error this app can't open Intel Graphics Command Center, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. I'll tell you later why, but first let me show you how. Search for Microsoft Store, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Intel Graphics Command in the search bar. Click on Intel Graphics Command Center. Click on Get. Okay, and this way you will be able to install it on your system, but it will need a while because it's a heavy software. And once this is done, you can search for the Intel Graphics Command Center and then right click on it and select run as administrator. Okay, and lastly, restart your computer. Now one may say restarting the computer is a very shallow fix, but yes, it works a lot because you sign out of your profile and sign back in. All the drivers are reset and the RAM is also renewed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.